vehicles that people use to get around. They rely on fuel.
Fuel? Oh! You mean that kind of fuel?
No!
What are cars?
I told you. They're vehicles that people use to get around places.
Around places? What? We have to go around the destination to get to the destination? So if we arrive at your face, it's like this?
No! 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 I'm going back to bed.
What are airplanes? Are they like something you what are airplanes?
Airplanes are, I don't know. Look it up in a dictionary.
Oh, okay. So the dictionary.
I will kill you if you do that again. Anyways, planes are vehicles that fly, and they have wings, and they also rely on fuel. Not that type of fuel.
They fly?
Yeah.
How?
They have wings that balance.
Wings? Bugs don't have wings.
Ah!
What are trains? What are they?
Ah! I hate you! I hate you!
What are trains?
Trains are locomotive engines.
Locomotives?
They
Are
rely-
they local? Because they're locomotive.
No! They're locomotive engines. They rely on coal, okay?
Oh, is that like a type of fuel?
Not that type of fuel! Fix this bed up. Oh, you're so stupid idiot. Go to hell. Get out of my bed! Go away! Better not screw up my bed again.
So cars fly!
Okay, Zeg. What is a thing that flies?
Oh! A flying car!
Ah! Okay. What is a thing that drives on land?
Oh! That's easy! A plane with wings!
No!
Do planes have chicken wings?
No! No. What vehicle goes on tracks?
Sack of potatoes!
Ah!
Do airplanes have chicken wings?
Ah!